Hello everybody. Today we will learn about how to get help and what are the sources of information we have for SAP Cloud Application Studio. At first, I assume you have the Cloud Application Studio installed, and if you go to help here, you have various options. There's a help content installation which displays the same content as the online help. You will find install instructions in here. I'm not going into detail because I personally don't like this help very much. What else do you have? You have the SAP Cloud Application Studio help. And if you check here, you have a nice web front end where you can go into, for example, the Get Started area, where you can find some examples, where you can find some information about the studio, feature matrix, first steps, and so on. This is very good in order to get an idea what Cloud Application Studio can do. It is not very good actually to search, because it has no search, but there are other possibilities. So, if you don't have PDI installed, you can open a web browser and go to help.sap.com. Then to the cloud area. And on the bottom of the cloud area you see software development kits. And here is the Cloud Application Studio. The current version is 14.02, and here we have different sources. This link, the second link, goes to the same help page we just saw from within the studio. So let's go back here. And my favorite is the third link here. It's a downloadable PDF. You can download it to your PC. You can open it directly in the browser. It takes a while, but a PDF is wonderfully searchable. You have the index on the left side, which is the same as in the web version. So the content is the same, but it's searchable. So for example, for example, if we search for context in here, we will find a lot of information about the context. There's also code examples on the bottom. For example, context dot, and we can see how this can be used. I like this very much. I usually have one copy on my desktop, and this covers already a lot of questions. There is one more source. You can reach it here, the SAP Community Network Forum. And you can also access it by this URL directly, sen.sap.com community business by design /studio. And in here you can see already a few active people. It makes most likely sense to follow them, to stay up to date and to get a notification when something gets created. You can also browse to content here and look at what people are discussing. You can use the search and it should bring you up a few results to your query. And if there's no answer to your query, don't hesitate to create a new entry and to discuss with other PDI developers, there is a solution for almost everything, and if there is no solution for a certain problem, you will find an answer here how to work around, or if it's simply not possible.